Discover precision, reliability, and smooth cutting performance designed for hobbyists and professionals who demand clean curves and lasting durability daily. Best scroll saw for the money means smart features, tables, variable speeds, easy controls, and outstanding value for every project. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. WEN Variable Scroll Saw. The WEN Variable Scroll Saw stands out as an excellent choice for budget-conscious woodworkers who still demand flexibility, precision, and durability in their tools. One of its most distinctive features is the unique blade system that accepts blades in both standard and 90-degree positions, allowing for unlimited ripping capacity and greater creative freedom when working on complex patterns. With a variable speed range from 400 to 1600 strokes per minute, users can easily adjust cutting performance based on material type and project requirements. Whether handling delicate veneers or thicker hardwood, the spacious 16 by 11-inch work table provides stable support for detailed work and conveniently bevels up to 45 degrees to the left for angled cuts, making it suitable for decorative projects and furniture accents. Capable of cutting wood up to 2 inches thick with a 16-inch throat depth, this saw handles most hobbyist and light professional tasks with ease. Tool-free blade changes through the thumb screw adapter save valuable time during frequent blade swaps, especially for intricate interior cuts. The cast iron base enhances stability and reduces vibration, resulting in smoother operation and improved accuracy. Additional features such as the integrated air pump, flexible work light, dust port, and foot lock clamp contribute to a cleaner, more controlled workspace. Number 2. DEWALT DW788 Scroll Saw. The DEWALT DW788 Scroll Saw is widely recognized for its professional-grade construction, exceptional accuracy, and remarkably smooth operation. Built around a double parallel link arm design, this model significantly reduces vibration and operational noise, ensuring clean, precise cuts even during long working sessions. This advanced arm system maintains consistent blade tension throughout each stroke, which directly translates to better control and reduced material tear-out. The tool-free blade clamp system allows blades to be changed in seconds, making it especially convenient for intricate designs that require frequent interior cuts. With a cutting depth of up to 2 inches, the DW788 handles a wide variety of woodworking tasks, from thin decorative pieces to thicker stock. Its electronic variable speed control enables users to fine-tune performance based on material density and cutting complexity. All essential controls, including the on-off switch, speed dial, blade tension lever, and dust blower, are conveniently located on the front upper arm for easy access and efficient workflow. The flexible dust blower keeps the cutting line clear, improving visibility and reducing mistakes during detailed work. Built with durability in mind, this saw is designed to withstand. Number 3. Genesis GSS 160 Scroll Saw. The Genesis GSS 160 Scroll Saw offers a practical and affordable solution for beginners and casual woodworkers seeking dependable performance without unnecessary complexity. Powered by a quiet 1.2 amp induction motor, this saw delivers smooth and stable operation, making it well suited for home workshops and small craft spaces. Its variable speed range of 400 to 1600 strokes per minute allows users to adapt cutting speed to different materials, whether working with softwood, plywood, or light hardwood. The quick change blade system simplifies blade replacement, reducing downtime and making it easier to complete intricate projects efficiently. Included accessories such as 2 high-speed steel blades and an Allen key provide immediate usability right out of the box. The flexible dust blower helps maintain a clear cutting line, improving visibility and reducing errors during detailed work. Designed primarily for wood applications, the GSS 160 handles decorative crafts, puzzles, ornaments, and small furniture accents with consistent results. Its compact design makes it ideal for users with limited workspace. Number 4. Hipicute 16-inch Scroll Saw. The Hipicute 16-inch scroll saw combines modern features with stable performance, making it a versatile tool for both hobbyists and professionals engaged in detailed woodworking and craft projects. Its large steel work table measures 415 by 250 millimeters and tilts from 0 to 45 degrees, providing excellent support and flexibility for angled cuts and complex designs. This sturdy table enhances overall stability, allowing users to work confidently on wood, acrylic, and other lightweight materials. One of its standout features is the integrated LED work light, which delivers bright, focused illumination directly on the cutting area, reducing eye strain and improving accuracy. The adjustable speed motor operates between 500 and 1600 strokes per minute, enabling smooth customization for different materials and cutting styles. Whether handling softwood, hardwood, or plastics, users can fine-tune performance for optimal results. The built-in dust port and blower system help maintain a clean workspace by minimizing debris and keeping the cutting line visible. This not only improves safety, but also extends the tool's lifespan by reducing internal dust buildup. Number 5. Bucktool 22-inch Scroll Saw. The Bucktool 22-inch scroll saw is a powerful and feature-rich machine designed for woodworkers who require expanded capacity and professional-level performance. Equipped with a robust 1/5 HP 1.3 amp motor, this saw delivers consistent power and smooth cutting across a wide range of materials. Its variable speed range of 360 to 1550 RPM allows users to fine-tune performance for delicate detailing or faster rough cuts. One of its most impressive features is the large 27 by 13-inch work table, which provides ample space for supporting oversized materials and complex projects. The upper arm's ability to bevel up to 30 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right enables precise angled cuts, making it ideal for decorative furniture, signage, and artistic designs. Blade changes are quick and convenient thanks to the locking upper arm, which holds the blade in a raised position for easy access. This feature is especially valuable for interior cuts and frequent blade replacements. The saw comes equipped with high-quality pinless blades and a blade holder, and it supports a wide range of blade types, including spiral and high TPI options for intricate work. Its sturdy construction minimizes vibration, improving cutting accuracy and user comfort. Designed for demanding workloads, the Bucktool 22-inch scroll saw combines capacity, versatility, and durability, making it an excellent choice for serious hobbyists and professional craftsmen who need reliable performance for large and detailed projects. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.